Hello everyone, welcome back to Research Rover. Today we are diving into a super simple trick to declutter or restore your laptop desktop icons. Whether you prefer a clear display or need a quick access to your icons, this method is perfect for you. Here's how it works. Right click anywhere on your desktop, hover over the view option and click on Show Desktop Icons. Simply. This will hide all your icons instantly. So now, want them back? Don't worry, repeat the same steps and they will reappear like magic. Right click anywhere on your desktop, hover over view option, go to Show Desktop Icons. All the icons will reappear back. So this is a quick and simple effective method to hide and unhide your icons on your display. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more technical tips. Thank you.